Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in this video I decided to show you the makeup routine that I created for the Valentine's Day. But actually you can wear this makeup every day, and the coolest part of this makeup is that I'm going to use budget products, just regular products that you can find in a drugstore or order online for a good price. So no luxury brands. We will try to do beautiful Valentine's Day makeup on a budget. So let me go a little bit closer to the screen, to the camera. So I want this makeup to be romantic but quite simple, and I'm gonna be using a lot of pink. So if you don't like pink color, please don't watch this video, but if you like, please continue. And I will start with the base, and I'm gonna be using this Dr. Jart BB Beauty Balm. Actually this is a BB cream, and the great thing about this cream is that it has SPF 45, so you don't need to apply SPF for this. You can apply only this base. I'm gonna put it right here, and after applying my moisturizing cream I will go ahead and apply this BB cream with just a sponge. Sponge is a little bit wet. This way we will create a flawless thin texture, thin layer. So let me do this. Again, don't forget about our neck and ears. So you can already see how my face is shining. And for the next step, I'm going to use a concealer by NYX. Yeah, it's a bit old already. I have it for like 4 months or something. And I'm gonna be cover the zone under my eyes and all the pimples that I have, and also a little bit here and here. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. And I will use the same sponge, the clean side of it. Okay, now let's go ahead and do eye makeup, and I'm not gonna be doing all of the contouring and bronzer. I want this look to be as natural as possible, and since we didn't use a lot of foundation, I still can see all of the shades on my face and all of the blush, so I will not use any of these products. Maybe just a little bit blush at the end, but I'm still thinking about this. I don't know yet. And for my eye makeup, I will start with this NYX liquid cream lipstick in the shade 9, Tea and Cookies. And I'm gonna be using this as a base for my eyeshadow. And I don't want to create just some regular eye makeup. I want to do something more interesting. So I'm gonna be putting it right here at this corner of the eye, and here at the inner corner, and a little bit going to my nose, something like this. So this is the kind of shape I want to create. Don't worry, it's gonna look better. And the same for the right eye, the left eye, and here. And now what I'm gonna do is, using this a little bit angled brush, I want to mix it all so it doesn't have hard edges. So I'm moving it a little bit closer to the center of the eyelid, and the same here. And now I want to take the eyeshadow. They are from She Glam. I ordered them on the Shein website. Firstly, I will use this lighter color and put it right here on the corner and inner corner as well. So I'm covering all this lipstick. The same on the other eye. And now I want to use this more brighter color. It's some more of a peach color, maybe like the mix of peach and pink. And I will create the depth on the outer and inner corner of the eye. Just a little bit right here. And just a little bit in the corner and the right eye. So for the next step, we're gonna use concealer again. We are putting it right here on the center of the eyelid, just a bit more. And I'm just applying it using a finger, kind of moving it a little bit to the sides. So we are creating a gradient from the sides to the center of the eyelid. So basically we are covering a lot of these pink colors. But you still can see the pink, so it's not covered fully. So yeah, using a concealer, but just a little bit of it, is a great way to create a beautiful gradient on the eyes. And now what I'm gonna use is again the same eyeshadow palette from the She Glam, and I will use this shiny thing. This shiny eyeshadow, the same finger and the same places, the center of the eyelid and a bit higher. So we are creating this shining base. And the next thing is this highlighter from She Glam as well. I don't really like using it as a highlighter, but it looks just amazing when you're using this on your eyes. It is really shiny and I love it. And we are covering all of this lighter, brighter zones on this eye and this eye. So now we have beautiful shining eye makeup. Yeah, it's not so crazy pink right now. Let's work a little bit on our blush and lips, and then we will put our mascara on, and that's it. For blush, I'm gonna be using the same NYX lipstick. I'm putting it here and a bit on the center of our cheek, and using the same sponge I will apply it. Yeah, it has really nice pink color, looks like a real blush. I think it's perfect for the Valentine's Day date. I was thinking about which product should I use for my lips. And you know what, I just want to use a regular, like a lip balm or lip butter. I'm using this by Carmex, just putting it on my lips because I don't want to pay much attention to my lips because we have really heavy and vivid makeup on the eyes, and maybe just a little bit of the same shade, the same lipstick for the center, just to give a little bit of color to our lips. Yeah, I think it's perfect. I actually forgot to do my eyebrows, but I don't want to do them super bright or soapy. I just want to brush them up a little bit. Now let's do our lashes. So you know that I don't like false eyelashes, so I'm just using a mascara. So the mascara is from Essence, like it's pretty popular. You can find it in any drugstore. And well, this is the finished makeup, but I think that I will add just a corner of the eyelashes, just this little piece. I will put it on the outer corner. Now our eye makeup looks finished, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you can add some beautiful accessories and put on some pink or maybe creamy or vanilla dress. They all will look beautiful with a pinkish makeup or even a black color. So this is the finished look, the romantic Valentine's Day makeup. I hope you like it, and if you try this makeup look, please leave a comment down below. I really like how these eyeshadows look. They are not classic and really interesting. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I see you in my next one.